This video will walk you through the steps of submitting a warranty claim. When you first log in, you'll see this screen. Tap on the More tab in the bottom right corner. On this page, tap on Project Management and then select Warranty from the options that appear. Here, tap on the plus button in the top right. You'll then be taken to the page where you'll input all of the required information for your claim. Start by giving it a descriptive title. Then tap to open the Category menu and select the relevant item from the list. Follow the same steps to set the claim's priority. Type in a full description of the claim and, if applicable, tap to add an attachment like a photo. When you're ready, tap on Save in the top right. You will then see the completed claim. Someone will contact you about it within 24 to 48 hours, but in the meantime, you can tap on your claim to review the details you submitted.